Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to create Outlier AI account. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Outlier AI website. You can do this by typing Outlier AI into your search engine or entering their official URL directly if you know it. Once you're on the website, locate the Sign Up or Get Started button usually visible on the homepage. Click it to begin. You might notice the Sign Up or Get Started button is not showing on your screen. It is because Outlier AI only operates in limited countries. So if you have that Sign Up or Get Started option, simply click on that. Next, you'll be prompted to fill out a registration form. Enter your basic information, such as your name, email address, and a secure password. Ensure the password meets any requirements, like including a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. After filling in the details, review the terms of service and privacy policy. If you agree, check the confirmation box and hit Sign Up or Create Account. So that's basically how you can create Outlier AI account. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.